Hi, in this video I will show how to convert old Excel file, XLS file into subtitles VTT format. You can see on my computer I have an XLS file. I can open it. I don't have Excel on this computer, but I have a mobile Excel. It's a free version of Excel. I cannot change in it anything, but I can see what is in this file. And you can see I have a table with 3 columns: start time, end time, and text. And I will convert this Excel into VTT subtitle using the start time and end time and text data. So basically it's time in milliseconds when to show subtitle, when to stop showing subtitle, and actual subtitle text. So I can close this, and I will convert it with Xls to Vtt converter. I will download it from this website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find the app, I will click on search and type Xls to Vtt. And I click on this create Vtt file, and I click on Xls to Vtt. And then click on download. I'll be recording more videos on VTT converters and other subtitle converters, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, we are waiting for small archive to be downloaded from Google Cloud in a second. Yep, here it is. So I'll click on Downloaded Archive, double click on MSI Inside Archive, and click on More Info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see Publisher Unknown. So I just click Run anyway to start installation, click on Next, Next Install, click on Yes, and click on Finish on Final Screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer, have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this, and my file is documents, subtitles, and this. It's also important to close Excel file into Excel if you open it into Excel, XLS file, because Excel is lock-in file exclusively, so no other application can access it until it's open into Excel. So you have to close it in Excel completely, otherwise you will get error saying this file cannot be opened because it's logged by other application and so on. So when you close it, it will be you can convert it basically. So I will double click on shortcut. You can see a application has been installed. My computer have a new shortcut on my desktop. I will double click on shortcut to launch app. Now, if you want to have this XLS file example I will be using for conversion, you can download it by clicking on this file example, and you click on it and it will open in download file to your computer. So you can see it, you can modify it, maybe add your text or change date time and so on. So conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we will select XLS file we would like to convert. I will click on this input file, navigate to my subtitles folder, open it, and click on subtitles example. Click on next tab. Here, because my table into Excel has a header, and I will keep it checked, right? And then I have to match VTT columns, which is subtitle columns on the left, with the columns from my Excel file. So if I click here, I see column from my Excel file. So start time must match end time, and text column. You may have a different column name. For example, you may have just start column name, right? But it's okay until you tell app from which column to take start time data, from each column take end time data, and from which column take text data. And then I click on next step, and final step I click on run to create VTT file. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name location is okay, just click save, and file has been saved. Let's go and see file. So I have a VTT viewer, it's a free app, it's showing what is inside VTT file, and also I export into different format if I want to. But you can see basically it just takes start time, end time, and text converted to subtitle file VTT. I also can open into text notepad just to show you how VTT file look like. It has this like weird arrow as a header and all data in it in this format. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.